Hello, Jace. How are you?
Good, not bad.
Always good and happy. Ayan. I have a questions for you. A few questions. How do you start your showbiz career?
So, I
Yeah.
just picked from SM and I do like a little shooting and they picked me to being a IBC 13 artist.
So you're part of Talents Academy,
Yes.
one of the hosts
Uh,
of the show. You dance there and you sing, or just
da-
hosting?
dance and scripting.
Ah, hosting.
Mm-mm.
So you host the award-winning children's show, not only here in the Philippines and also abroad. And now you're going to try acting.
Yeah.
You have a film sa aking mga anak. So,
This is my first film.
first film. So, can you tell me about your first film? What is your role?
In my film, my name is Gabriel Young, kind and cheerful and playful.
Playful. So, in real, but what?
But Gabriel don't know he got heart disease in the movie.
Ah,
And then he passed out, but he made a miracle and he survived happily.
so you love your role in the movie.
Yes, this is.
Ayan. So, uh, you have acting workshops before you do the film?
Kind of only in the script, like this script lang.
So reading, you just read the script. So sino nagturo? Who teach you to act? Your mommy, your daddy?
Mommy.
Si mommy. So si mommy is a good actress. She acts.
Not IDK because he not yet act in the movie yet.
Not yet. So just you.
It's for now.
So just for now. So you're not nervous when you do the scene?
A little lang.
A little lang. So do you have any idols like
Ding Dong Dantes.
Ding Dong Dances?
That's
Why? Why Ding Dong?
I like his family food.
You like so you like hosting. When you grow up, you like to become a host, or you like to become an actor? Both.
Actor.
Actor and
Host.
host also, hosting also. And do you have any idol?
Other idol?
Yes,
No. Wala. Only
wala
Ding
na.
Dong.
Ding Dong lang. Sa mga girls,
Wala.
wala. Bakit wala?
Of course, I don't like girls. I only like men.
So you like to become Ding Dong Dantes in the near future.
Yes.
So after this film, you have another film to do, or you have another shows?
Like, shows lang. I think so.
Shows lang.
Yeah.
Yung sa ano pa rin, Talents Academy pa rin.
Yes.
So you enjoy your hosting stint sa show. And you have so many friends there.
Yes.
Oh, kaya na-enjoy mo siya. And what your daddy and mommy told you about your entering showbiz?
I forgot.
Sabi ba nila, galingan mo, enjoy the the job? Anong advices na binigay they give you?
Do a good job. Never be nervous in front of the camera.
So you're not shy anymore.
Tiny, tiny.
Tiny. So right now you're acting and then hosting. So what type of role do you want? Like you want drama, you want comedy, you want a little bit action ba?
Action and comedy.
Action and comedy.
I don't like drama.
You don't like drama, so you're a good comedian. Like your daddy or mommy, or lolo or lola. Who's the comedian in the family?
Ako.
Ikaw. So you're the only one.
Yes.
So you bring happiness to the family because you're a comedian. Right now, you're still in what grade?
Turning grade 4.
Turning grade 4. So your classmates saw you on TV. What they say?
You are famous already, like that.
Like, so you have so many friends in school
Yes.
because you're famous.
Of the school.
Of the school. So you're so you're so kind and friendly because half of the school is your friends. And then what they say? Just famous.
Famous.
They don't ask you sama mo naman ako, join me. Like that.
One of them say how I turn to be artist. I tell him just go to SMB
Just go just go to SM
and be lucky.
and be lucky.
Be lucky, maybe you know.
Who knows, they will become actors also and hosts like you. And Jace, do you enjoy your showbiz career?
Yes. I show them my shows. Yes.
And what do you do to your earning, your talent fee? What do you do?
Invest or something.
Investment.
Like yan YouTube.
Ah, so you buy new toys like that. Oh, you bring it up, give it to your mom.
In there, you got your own.
She has more money, more than you, no?
Yes.
So after this, you're going to continue acting.
Yes.
Why?
For fun.
For fun.
Kasi boring in the house.
So you love acting na
Yes.
and hosting. So can you give advice to same age of yours who like to act and to become host also? Anong pwede mong i-advise sa kanila?
Never give up and never feel nervous. And get some hope.
And give your best,
And give your
100%. When is your birthday?
May
It's-
15, tomorrow.
It's tomorrow. So you have celebration tomorrow?
Yes, lechon, a lot.
Wow. So you're going to celebrate your birthday?
Here.
You're going to work on your birthday.
Yeah,
Wow.
at least I get free food.
You have free food. So you're going to invite your friends.
How? They're in Iloilo.
Sobrang layo. So just your friends here.
Hindi.
So what is your wish for your birthday?
I love it. Want to go to Japan.
Wow! Why? Why going to Japan?
That's my favorite country.
Because
They got a lot of anime and what they call future stuff. Like robots.
wow. What do you want to say to your parents who always supported you on your career, on your school?
Thank you for carrying me always and I love you.
Yay! Thank you, Jace.